Struggling to progress in your calisthenics? Well, how about try Learn Flying? You can get more info about this on IG at Learn Flying. And how about master calisthenics skills that you are struggling with? The ebooks has 20 plus videos of me and my new students so that you can see how the beginner improve their skill. You also get tables and combo ideas for a skill so that you can know when to do volume work and when not to do. How about try my free guidebook, which is available right now? So what are you waiting for? Head to Learn Flying, link in the description. It's time to improve. Good luck.